Good evening, futures traders. What we have is a daily chart, as you can see right up here. We are testing the 150-day moving average, and that is at 18,929. We're sitting right on it. So you can see it right here. And once again, as we said, when the futures go down, then markets, equities sell off, okay? They gap down. When futures go down, then the stock market in the AM period will be gapping down. So, as we see it, we called it and whatnot, and we can see right here that if we sell below that, the 200 day, we can see that 200 day. It's at 18458.3. That's us down here. And we could, if we were to sell through the 150-day, people have stop losses right below there, and they get triggered auto. Okay, the machine does it for them. So that way you understand if you drop additional 8%, that's the reason why. Okay, every time. Not once, every time. Once again, we're bringing it live to you because we are at a critical pass and we got the monthly jobs coming. But once again, when they go down, you get paid big